Welcome to this TrackOnline instruction video. This video is meant for the users that have been invited to use TrackOnline via their business partner or logistics partner. First, you will receive your invitation in your email. Accept the invite. And then you will see that your email address is already in place. Just create a new password and click on register to start. When you have created your password, you will see that your account has been created. Fill in your username, which is your email address, and your password to log in. You can also click on the Remember button, so TrackOnline will remember your credentials for the next time you want to log in. When you click on Login, you will see our terms and conditions. Now we are in the TrackOnline administration. We will first start with the tutorial. TrackOnline is an online packaging registration system which tracks your load carriers. This allows you to digitally collaborate with your entire supply chain. The tutorial now has arrived at your profile. Here you can change your personal settings to your liking. To edit your settings, click on the pen on the top right. And to view the tutorial again, click on Restart on the left of your screen. Now we're going to change the language. As you can see, the language is set on English by default. To change the language, click on the pen on the top right of the screen and select the language you prefer. In this case, I will pick Swedish. Then click on Save to confirm. And as you can see, the application is now in Swedish. Since I'm not fluent in Swedish, I will change the language back to English. Now we will go to the transactions overview. Here you will see the first transactions that your business partner has sent to you. The icon on the right, as shown in the red frame, indicates that these transactions are sent by your business partner to you. In this case is the from location your business partner. The to location is your own location. Remember that all the transactions your business partner sends to you have the symbol on the right. The transactions that have been sent to you have the status final. This means that the transactions cannot be altered and are view only. However, you can still generate a transaction report, as you can see here. The report will open in a PDF file and gives you more details about this specific transaction. The report shows us that the transaction consisted out of 20 CC RFID items. You can also print this document in order to get a signature from your partner. Another way to view the details of a transaction is by clicking on the transaction number, as shown in the red frame. Here you can see the location details, details of a carrier, if one has been used, view notes, and see which items are in this transaction. Now we will talk about the functionalities that TrackOnline has to offer. But for more details, I refer you to our other instructional videos. Every once in a while, we will release new functionalities for the application. You can see our updates in the release notes on the top right of the screen. As you can see here, we recently added the Swedish language to TrackOnline. Here you can see your profile, where you can change your personal settings. For example, you can change the language of the application here. You can view the settings of the application here. You can see user settings, information about your TrackOnline license, and administration settings. Here you can find the notification center. Here you can see that we currently have 6 notifications, as indicated by the small number. To view your notifications, click on the icon and then click on the notification you want to see. Now we click on the notification that says that we have a new item in our administration. As you can see here, this is the item that was part of the transaction from our business partner. Notice that we now have 5 notifications instead of 6. If you still want to see notifications you have received in the past, click on View all notifications. TrackOnline also offers the possibility to see the balances you have per item, as you can see here, or per location, as you can see here. It is also possible to generate your own reports. This way you have access to the details of your transactions at any given time. It is possible to generate reports for either the balance per location or transactions per location. Now we will generate a report for the balance per location. To generate a report, first select the locations you want to see in this report. Then click on Preview to check if this is the information you need. Here you will see the details of the report. Base data consists out of data you need in order to make transactions. For example, when we look at locations, we can see where our locations are on a map. Then, if we want to see more details, we click on the tab Locations. Here you see an overview of the different locations in your administration. To see the specific details of a location, click on the location number. Now we will take a look at an administration that has made some transactions for their own locations. In the red frame you see the newly made transactions. The transactions that have not been processed yet still have the green action button. This means that the transaction still can be changed. Also notice that the transactions you have made for your own administration do not have the icon on the right, as in the red frame. The icon indicates that the transactions are sent to you by your business partner who has invited you to use TrackOnline. For more information, check out our other instructional videos.